Do you have a YouTube channel or are you planning to create a new channel to earn passive money? Forget YouTube ads earning. This video is for you who want to start earning money for day one with YouTube channel. From today you don't need to wait for 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. You can earn from today. And if you have a monetized YouTube channel, you can earn extra money with this strategy. After watching this full video, I guarantee you will also start earning. Let's check my earnings. I have earned over $800 with this strategy. I got 253 sign-ups from 1709 clicks, where total conversion is only 43, but as this is passive income strategy, I earned more than $800 within few months without any extra efforts. I just put my affiliate link to my YouTube channel's video description. I will show everything. You have to just watch full video till the end and follow the strategy if you want to start earning from your YouTube channel from right today. Stay connected. This month I don't have any conversion, but I have earning of $7, as it is recurring earning strategy. This is called affiliate marketing. I didn't do anything extra without add my affiliate link to my YouTube video description. You will also able to use the same strategy to earn money. You will find the link in description. You have to click on that link and sign up to this website. Not only for earning, this is the best tool for YouTube to boost your views on YouTube. Make better videos with better content. It have keyword tool to reach bigger audiences with winning keywords. Trusted by over 20 million YouTube creators. Make better videos with personalized ideas. The guidance you need to succeed on YouTube. Grow your channel faster and also earn money. Start by clicking link in description and sign up to this tool. For easy sign up, click on login with Google button. After completing sign up, you will need to add your YouTube channel. I am not showing you how to add your YouTube channel to this tool, rather I am explaining how you can use this tool for your YouTube success and its features you will able to utilize to boost your views and subscribers. And then I will show you how to start earning by affiliate of this program. After adding your channel, you will see the option of optimize your latest video. On right side you will see channel statistics. You will able to check time period. In my channel, I only earned $150 from YouTube ads. But with this tool affiliate, I earned over $800. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can check daily video ideas for your channel, can be able to generate any video idea. Find any keyword search volume. Find top keywords opportunities. Find daily tasks after adding your goal and today's growth plan. What is personal customized suggestion by this tool? In optimize section, you will find all your videos in this page. You will able to optimize any of your videos as per your requirement. After clicking on any video you will see your current title score. You will able to take suggested titles, you can change and publish to take advantage and for YouTube SEO. You will also able to check thumbnail score too. This tool suggests where is the gap of your thumbnails and where to improve. On generate section, you will able to generate any idea according to your video subject. This tool will automatically suggest top related keyword, title, description, tags, thumbnail, hook, outline, as well as able to generate script with AI within one click. You will able to utilize this tool for your content idea generation. You can also create stunning catchy thumbnails with AI from thumbnail section. Most utilizable tool is keywords. You can find any YouTube keyword search volume. For example, I am writing AI video generator and press enter. This tool is showing monthly search volume and keyword competition to rank your YouTube video by finding low competition keywords and utilize them. You can find matching keywords to find best keyword that can boost your YouTube channel videos. You can find related keywords, questions related keywords. Top trending videos for your target keywords. Here you will find all top viewing videos to find the gap and opportunities related your video you are going to publish. Here is related keywords feature. It will suggest you best keywords related your target keywords. Next is matching terms. Matching terms will help you to find best matches for your target keywords. Next is questions related keywords that people are seeking in YouTube. You can check what is best match for you when you write your video title. By finding best keywords, you will able to rank your YouTube video easily. Next feature is outliners to discover winning ideas to inspire your next video. So that you can find best performing videos in YouTube to outline your video and find gaps and opportunities to take advantages from YouTube SEO. You can analyze those performing video so you can understand your next video idea. Next is ideas section to get daily personalized ideas that you suggest to create your any upcoming videos by Get Prediction View. Next section is create to produce a best matched video that related your channel and videos. You can check idea to create by clicking of that suggestion. It will suggest you video title, thumbnail. It can generate AI-based thumbnails according suggested video. Then provide you a detailed outline including hook, introduction, presentation of problem, development, key moment, conclusion summary, and call to action. And finally, you can save the outline for future use. There is another feature named Coach, which is for basic and advanced chatbot feature to write your YouTube video script or even to get other related suggestion for your YouTube channel. There are another 4 named competitors. You can add competitors and get insights from your competitors after adding your channel competitors in this section. And next is SEO section. You will able to do SEO optimization for your published video from this section one by one. Next is subscribers section. You will able to find and check all your channel subscribers in this page. And next is learn section. You will able to learn all necessary strategy you need to know for your YouTube success. Click on Affiliate Center from top menu. You will see a box will be open to create your personalized link. For example, I am writing text 123 and click on Enroll Now button to join affiliate program. And it will be your dedicated link. You will need to share it in your YouTube video description. When someone sign up with your link and upgrade to any plan, you will get commission like me. Use this link to your video description and start earn money with your YouTube channel from right today with this strategy. If you found my video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.